fährst du quer, siehst du mehr.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. All right, yes.
Why did you do that?
You can see excessive speed, 60 miles per hour. Probably, I would say, close to double the speed limit.
Mi scusi.
Wait, look at this, on the sidewalk. You have obviously a disturbed driver behind the wheel, driving very recklessly, showing very little regard for anybody in his way. By my observation, does not really have a clear indication of where he's going. Just desperate to get around anybody in his way. In a top-heavy vehicle like that van he's driving right there, we're seeing continued very dangerous driving.
It's the Ford Mustang.
Yes!
Triple combo!
Yeah, thanks, mate.
What a brilliant move.
You went through a red light.
Hide, stop, line, hide, stop.
Right, car.
That was the best parking job ever.
Finally!
I'm gonna do what's called a BMW driver move.
walking here. I'm walking here. Hey, I'm walking here.
Very close call there. Very, very close call with that car there.
And it's gone. Well, that's fantastic.
Die Vergose ist nicht original, das sag ich dir so.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing it really, really well.
It's false.
Faster! Faster, Brandon!
Thank you.